Hi everyone, in this video, we will show exactly how to make all photos the same length in CapCut. To start the process, first open the CapCut app on your mobile device or whatever device you're using. Here, open the project on which you want to work. Import all of the photos. Tap on the Add button to add them. Now, all of your selected photos have been added based on the settings set on CapCut. The time of each clip will be selected automatically by default. Now, if you need to make each clip of the same length, you will need to hold and drag its both ends from the timeline, which is a pretty manual process. You can do this for every photo to make it of the same length. It can be 1 second longer or whatever suits you best. But if you have a lot of photos, it will be a time-consuming process. So, let's discuss another way of making all photos the same length. So to follow the second method, again open a new project. Import all of the images from the gallery. Once done, tap on the Add button to add them. Here I'm going to show you how to actually import it into its own clip and then using the speed features to change the length of each clip. Once all of your clips are added, tap on this arrow icon to export the video. When your video has been exported, you need to import it back into your main video. So tap on the new project and select the video that you have just exported. Now our clips have been combined into one big clip. So from the bottom dashboard, tap on the speed. Select the normal option. After that, increase the speed as much as you want. As you can see, our main video and each clip in it has been trimmed down. That means all of the photos we have added are now of the same length. By this way, you can increase and decrease the speed as per your need.